Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to see sent email on your Gmail, and now let's dive right in. Now to see your sent mails on your Gmail app, first open up your Gmail app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your Gmail account from which you have sent the emails. And with that being said guys, on this interface app that you open the Gmail app on your phone. At the top left corner of the screen you can see there's a three line icon available for us. Tap on the three line icon at the top left corner of the screen and this kind of tab will open, and scroll down a little bit and you can see the sent option over here just below the bills or just above the scheduled. If you tap on the sent messages or the sent button over here, all of the mail which you have sent to the personnel on your email or through Drive will be over here. And with that being said guys, this is how you will be able to view your sent emails on your Gmail. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.